back here through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out. Turn number 4. Green flag is out and we're underway in the Enduros. 30 laps of non-stop action. 17 machine of Logan Signer back out there with us. The 13 of Thomas Browning had a great run going last night. He's led the last 4 times in the Enduro, but is yet to seal the deal. Last night leading with 5 laps left to go. Him and Bob Fry, that man to his inside right there in the 4th spot, getting into the left rear, turning him around. As those two going to rage war one more time here this weekend as they're going to go side by side down the back straightaway. Last night's feature winner in the 29 machine looking to the inside, trying to take the race lead from Logan Signer. Signer been on a tear this year in the SCDRA division. Not running with them tonight, running the Enduro division. Great to see Logan out here with us, as they're still side by side for the race lead. A little beating and banging going on there between the 17 and the 29S as they go down into turns 1 and 2. Here comes Kamikaze Kevin Benoit looking for his first feature win. He's already up into the 5th spot as those top 5 have broke away from the rest of the field as we got 4 laps into this one. Benoit now to the inside of Browning. Signer going to be your race leader. Robert Bender in that 2nd spot. Bob Fry hanging right there in the 3rd spot. That top 5 still broke away from the rest of the field as we come around for lap number 6. Signer, Bender, Fry, then Benoit. Browning hanging right there with him in the 5th spot. Lap traffic going to play a factor here in a lap or 2 as they're 3 wide in front of your race leader. They're going to single file out. That'll help Logan Signer as he closes the gap quick. They're going to bunch back up in front of him. Signer makes quick work of lap traffic as he's still working that high side of the speedway down the back straightaway. Into turn 3 and 4, he's going to stay up there on the high side, tucked right behind the 60 machine. Laps into this one. Inside 17 machine getting every which way but loose here on the front straightaway. He's going to get it gathered up. To the outside goes Logan Signer, trying to make quick work of this lap traffic. Down the front straight, we complete lap number 12. Signer continuing to work that high line. He's bringing the 29C with him. Cars all fanned out, about 3 car lengths now between the top 3 as they try to go down the front straightaway. Lap traffic a problem for the 29C. Logan Signer trying to get around the 17 machine, unable to do so. That's going to allow the 29 to close the gap slightly. Still out to about a 6 car length lead here as we come up on the halfway point. 29 not letting him get away, hanging right there with him. Bob Fry, Kamikaze, Kevin Benoit staying right there with him at top 4. Still on the same straightaway. 8.5, leaders to the inside, 8.5. Inside 36, inside 77, hold your line, leader, you're inside. Machine splitting the difference, trying to gain on that 17 machine of Signer. Signer going to get into the wall slightly, coming out of turn number 4. He's going to smack the wall again down in turns 1 and 2. This is the Enduro. Bumpers, tires, it doesn't matter. We leave it on the track. We do not have cautions in the Enduros. You see a bumper getting just meleeed up there on the top side of turn 2. Inside. You're clear to come down, Thomas. You're clear to come down if you're broke. Thank you, sir. Tough break for the 13 of Thomas Browning. That young man has led so many times this year, looking for that first feature win and unable to pull the trigger. Had a great run going last night till late race contact with Bob Fry, cut that one short. That young man has a bright future if he sticks with the Enduro division, and he's always out front in 13 machine. Meanwhile, Bender trying to reel in Logan Signer. Signer has about 7 or 8 feature wins this year in the SCDRA. Sold that car, now Enduro racing. He's leading this one, much like he does every other Saturday night in a different class. Trying out class to number 29 of Robert Bender. Bobby Fry still right there in the 3rd spot. Get it turned around, get it turned around. We don't have coffee. Get it safe. Back out, we're underway. Tough break for the 8 machine. Hard contact down there on the infield wall. You made contact with your race leader, Logan Signer. Logan might have done damage to the right front of that thing. Going to leave the door open for the 29C. Here comes Kamikaze Kev. Is this the night he gets the job done? He's got 3 laps, coming to 2 to get it done, as those 4 cars are under a blanket for the race win. Down to the inside. 2 laps left to go. Does the 29 have anything for the 17? He's going to look to the inside. Can't make the pass. Down into 3 and 4. Looks to the inside one more time. Trying to go back to back this weekend in the 29 machine. White flag is out one more time around. Down to the inside one more time. Signer going to get up into the guardrail. They're going to make contact down the back straightaway. Signer going to come out ahead. Trunk open. To the inside goes the 29. Back to the line, give it to Logan Signer. 2nd spot will go to Robert Bender. 3rd spot to Kevin Benoit. 4th spot to Bobby Fry. 5th spot will go to Pick Sampson.